here this morning, and it's Colin's day of his operation. So I just thought I'd give you a bit of a feeling for how he's feeling coming up to his operation. We've got a beautiful day. I'll show you a little bit of the sky. However, we have got rain due later on. Anyway, how are you feeling, Colin?
I'm feeling fine. Quite relaxed about it, really, considering it's a major operation. Is it a major operation? Anyway,
yeah, it is a major operation.
I'm having a hip replaced.
Hip replacement is major,
yeah,
I would think.
Yeah. Been due really for a few years, to be honest. But hey, eventually got round to getting it sorted.
Tell everyone about your packing process and how much thought you put into all of that going into hospital.
Well, as much thought as it needs. 5 minutes. What do you put in?
He literally packed his rucksack this morning.
Pair of pyjamas, undies, t-shirts, toothbrush.
I said, do you want any shampoo or soap? So I actually had to put a little plastic bag together with a few toiletries like that. In the hospitals in Spain, they don't give you quite as much stuff as they would do in the UK hospitals, do they?
I'm taking more stuff than I take on a regular Ryanair flight.
It is.
That's
my
not
bag.
much.
It's my bag actually that I use for Ryanair when we're flying. I've also done a little bag of goodies in case he's feeling hungry, because those people that know Colin know he likes to eat on a regular basis. So now at the moment you're fasting, aren't you?
Yeah, pre-operation fasting. Obviously, as anybody who's had an operation will know, you've got to have an 8-hour window, and as I still don't actually know what time I'll be going under the knife, so to speak, I've not had anything this morning. It's not so much the food I'm missing, it's my morning strong coffee, which is fantastic out here. Desperate for a coffee.
But unlike when I was having an operation last year, he was eating everything in front of me and making himself really delicious looking sandwiches and things. I've been a good girl and I've fasted with him so as not to let him smell or see any of my food. But he didn't give me that consideration. Oh, hello. Are we boring you?
Still waking up.
So this is us on the way. As you can see, he's very relaxed. I'm probably a little bit more nervous than him.